Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. First of all, I am introducing myself. My name is Zuneria Arif. My presentation topic name is keyboard, which is submitted to Dr. Abdul Salam. First of all, I would like to share content which I am going to discuss in my presentation. And now I am starting first topic, which is about keyboard, and then I am talking about types of keyboard and function of keyboard, types of keyboard, keys, rows of keys, and finally uses of keyboard. Uh, f- mm, now let's start in my first topic, which is about introduction of my presentation. I am introducing my topic, which is keyboard, and first of all, I define what is keyboard. Keyboard is a set of keys which make easiness for us to enter our data in our computer. It is main input device of computer. You can say it is core of computer. It has many keys. When press them, then we get character like a number, letters, or symbols appear on the screen. Now I am telling you about the diagram of keyboard. And we see on the right, on the top right side is this key is noted as a escape key. Then second key is noted as a function key, and third key is noted as a backspace key. Then on the right side of the top, it is navigation or editing keys. When we see on below, here is a numeric keypad, then directional keys, and in left side it is all keys, Windows keys and control keys. This diagram show the keyboard. Now I am telling you about types of keyboard. There are 8 types of keyboard that you should know. Multimedia keyboard, a mechanical keyboard, a wireless keyboard, a virtual keyboard, a USB keyboard, ergonomic keyboard, quadri keyboard, and backlit keyboard. And now I am telling you all these types, discuss one by one. First of all, I am telling you about a multimedia keyboard. What is multimedia keyboard? Multimedia keyboard is a type of keyboard, important type of keyboard, which is designed to make simplicity for us to access often used programs. This fig show multimedia keyboard. And then the next slide is about mechanical keyboard, which defined as the type of the keyboard which built with high quality typical spring activated switches. This diagram show mechanical keyboard. Wireless keyboard, another type of the keyboard is wireless keyboard, is exactly the same as the normal computer keyboard. There is major difference that it transfer typing data to computer through infrared beams. This fig denoted wireless keyboard. Then now we move on the next slide, which is about virtual keyboard. Basically, a virtual keyboard is another type of the keyboard, is known as virtual keyboard. It is resembling to a physical keyboard. Virtual keyboard is a soft based device. We use this device with a touch screen. The diagram of the virtual keyboard present here. This diagram represents the virtual keyboard. USB keyboard. USB keyboard is a simple plug and play keyboard, and that connects keyboard with to computer with a wire, and at the end of the cable is a USB plug that set up directly directly into one of your computer USB ports. And here is the diagram of USB keyboard. Now I am telling you about ergonomic keyboard. Ergonomic keyboard is a computer keyboard designed with ergonomic consideration to reduce the muscle strain, fatigue, and other problems. Ergonomic keyboard for two-handed typists are typically constructed are usually constructed in V-shaped, allowing the hand to rest at a more natural angle. This fig is about ergonomic keyboard. Then QWERTY keyboard. QWERTY is standard layout for letters keys on a keyboard and thumb board. QWERTY originally created for typewriters. It is the name for the order of the first six keys on the top rows. In this fig, we see the QWERTY keyboard. Backlit keyboard. This key have a light which help the user to type even in the dark, and these keyboard are available in gaming and some other traditional keyboard. Here is the fig which is about the backlit keyboard. Function. Now I am telling you about the important function of keyboard. What is the function that keyboard played? The main function of the keyboard in a personal computer is to operate the computer by sending it data, and the second function of the keyboard is this data often consists of character, letters, numbers, line escape, but also tell the computer to perform a function such as how we change the brightness or eject a disk from a disk drive. Types of keyboard in a types of keys in a keyboard. There are many keys in a keyboard: alphabet keys, number keys, special keys, function keys, navigation keys, arrow keys, punctuation keys, control keys, and we discuss all keys one by one. First of all, we discuss alphabet key. 26 keys are present on a keyboard from A to Z, and these keys are also present in the alphabetically order. These keys are not present in alphabetically order, also present in a random order. As we see in a fig, these keys are also present on the top of the keyboard. Secondly, I am talking about number key. These key are used for typing number, and these key are present above the top row of the alphabet keys and also present on the right side of the keyboard. As we see in a diagram, the number key is present on the top of the alphabet keys. Here is the number keys, and on below the number keys here is backspace and delete keys, then enter key, cursor control keys, here is space bar, and then alphabet keys. This figure show number keys. So we in this slide we also talk about special keys. Keyboard has more special keys such as space bar key, caps lock key, backspace key, shift key, enter key, symbols keys, and tab key. In this diagram we see some special keys. For example, we see on the top escape key, insert key, and delete key, and some shift, control, alt. All these keys are known as special keys. Then we also talk about a function key. 12 function keys are present on the top of the keyboard, as we see in the diagram. These keys are perform specific tasks. They are also present on the topmost row of the keyboard. Label F1, F2, F3, F4, F5, F6, 7, F11, and F12. Now in next slide we discuss about all the keys have some specific function, and we discuss the function of all keys one by one. Means that if F1 key is also open the help to open the screen for almost every program, and F2 key also used to rename a selected file. F3 is also used to open a search feature for an application, and Alt plus F4 close used for closing the active window, and F5 used to refresh and reload the page. F6 is used to move the cursor to the address bar in most internet browser, and as that we use F7 to spell checking and grammar check. F8 is used to access the boot menu in Windows, and F9 use refresh for refreshing a document. F10 is used to activate the menu bar of open application, and F10 is same as right clicking. F11 is used to show the full screen mode in internet browser, and F12 use open the save as dialog box in Microsoft Word. Now in this slide I am telling you about the navigation key. Every keyboard has some special navigation keys such as cursor, control key, arrow keys, home key, end key, control, alt, page up, page down, delete and insert is etc. In this diagram we see on the top right side, here is up key, page up, then we see below page down key, and on the right side we see home key, and on the below of the home key here is here is an end key. This fig show about navigation key. Now what is arrow key? There are 4 arrow keys on a keyboard. If you also count the arrow keys on most PC keyboard, the number pad, there are 8 keys. As we see in a diagram, upper arrow and down arrow. Punctuation key, all of the keys associated with punctuation keys such as comma, period, semicolon, bracket, parenthesis and so on. Also all the mathematical operators such as the plus sign, minus sign and equal sign. In this week we saw the semicolon. These are known as a punctuation key. Now in this slide we discuss control keys. In computing, control key is a modifier of key which press in conjunction with another key perform a special operation. For example, control plus C, similar to the shift key, but the control key rarely perform any function when pressed by itself. Control key functions. Control key, these two key, control plus A is also, these two key will select all the text are on the or other object, and control plus B is also used to bold the text, and C is also used to copy the text. D is used bookmark on open web page. Control E is used is center text. Control F use open find window. Control G use open find in a browser and word processor. Control H open the find replace in a notepad. Control I Italian for use for use italicize text. Control J use view download in browser and justify alignment in Microsoft Word. Control K create a hyperlink for the highlighted text. Control L select address bar in the browser or left align text in the word processor. Control M indent selected text, and Control N create a new page document. Control O is used for open a file in most programs. Control P open a print window to print the page, and Control R reload. R is used reload page in browser or right align text in a word processor. Control S save the document or file. Control T create a new tab, and Control U underline the selected text. Control V paste any text. Control W close open tab in a browser. Control X cut use for cut the selected text. Control Y this key will redo and undo action. Control N move cursor to the end of the document instead of the end of the line. Control Z pressing these two keys will undo any action. Now I am telling you about rows of keys. The standard full-size keyboard has 6 rows of keys. The space bar with some modifier, 3 rows of symbol. The middle one is generally considered the home row. 1 row of the number or less common symbol, uncommon punctuation, accented letters. Use of keyboard. Here is my last content is about uses of keyboard, where we use keyboard and for what purpose we use keyboard. Keyboard is used for typing message for communications, and it is used to open file and documents in a computer. And for example, double clicking the computer icon opens it. Keyboard is used for entering text, and keyboard is used to operate some devices. If you have any question, feel free to ask me, and I am happy to answer them. Thank you. Have a nice day.